In this video, I'm going to show you how to type in Adobe Reader. So the first way you could do this is to use the Fill and Sign menu over here on the right. So click on Fill and Sign, and then from here use this tool over here, which is called Add Text. You can click anywhere and you can just start typing whatever you want, and of course you can also highlight that, change the color, etc. Okay, that's the first way to actually type in Acrobat Reader. But of course you could do that otherwise as well. So for example, if you go to Comments over here on the right, you have a few options up top. Now this one over here is the most convenient. You can add a text comment by clicking on here, clicking anywhere you want, and you can just start typing whatever you want, and this is going to allow you even more customization. So you can even change fonts over here just like this. You could go and basically change the font size like this, as you can see here, to whatever you want. You can change colors, spacing, etc. Okay, so that's all entirely possible. But then also you could also use these text boxes over here to just draw them and type in whatever you want, and that's going to work too. So that's how to type in Adobe Reader. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.